ଜାନୁଆରୀ 26 ତାରିଖରେ ଶିକ୍ଷା ଓ ଅନୁସନ୍ଧାନ ଡିମ୍ ଟୁ ବି ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ଦ୍ୱାରା ପରିଚାଳିତ ଫୁଲନଖରା ସ୍ଥିତ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ମେଡିକାଲ ସାଇନ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସମ୍ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ କ୍ୟାମ୍ପସ୍ 2 ପରିସରରେ 77ତମ ସାଧାରଣତନ୍ତ୍ର ଦିବସ ଅତ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଉତ୍ସାହ ଓ ଉଦ୍ଦୀପନା ସହକାରେ ପାଳିତ ହୋଇଯାଇଛି। ଏହି ଅବସରରେ ଆୟୋଜିତ ସ୍ୱତନ୍ତ୍ର କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମରେ IMS SUM Hospital 2 ଡିନ୍ ପ୍ରଫେସର ଡକ୍ଟର ଅରକ୍ଷିତ ସ୍ୱାଇଁ, ସ୍କୁଲ ଅଫ୍ ଫାର୍ମାସ୍ୟୁଟିକାଲ ସାଇନ୍ସ 2 ଡିନ୍ ପ୍ରଫେସର ଡକ୍ଟର ଦୁର୍ଗା ମାଧବ କର ଏବଂ ସମ୍ ନର୍ସିଂ କଲେଜ 2 ଡିନ୍ ଡକ୍ଟର ଅନୁରାଧା ପଣ୍ଡା ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଅତିଥି ଭାବରେ ଯୋଗଦେଇ ଜାତୀୟ ପତାକା ଉତ୍ତୋଳନ କରିଥିଲେ।
तो आज यूजुअली प्रति वर्ष जमती आम रिपब्लिक सेलिब्रेशन हुए ये जो 77th और 77तम रिपब्लिक डे आज समय अनुसार ठीक भाव सुचारू रूपे सरी जाइए से साधारण आमर जमी फ्लैग होस्टिंग पर आमर फैकल्टी मेंबर सबू से एक्टिविटी सब कल्चरल एक्टिविटी से प्रदर्शन करछन्ती एवं आम प्लान अच्छी समस्त को लड्डू बंधा व्यवस्था कराई एंड समस्त को कही जे से माने त्रिरंगा तले शपथ ने जमती आम इन्स्टिट्यूशन जे छोट इन्स्टिट्यूशन हेले भी से केमती कोऑपरेशन टुगेदरनेस करी एवं कोलाबोरेटिव काम करेंगे सो दैट आम इन्स्टिट्यूशन उन्नति हेबो एवं एटा केतेकांश सहायता करिवो आम नेशन उन्नति पे।
Today is the 77th Republic Day and the student and staff of the School of Pharmaceutical Sciences to Phulnakhara campus celebrate successfully and each and every faculty of this institute they have participated and student of this institute also get participated and they have highlighted many things about the life history of different freedom fighters and the vision and mission of our honorable Prime Minister of India for Viksit Bharat by 2047. So in this occasion, the Dean of this School of Pharmaceutical Sciences to Phulnakhara campus has expressed the nature or how to become the Viksit Bharat by 2047. I have highlighted and I have also inspired our students to take an oath from today for participating in the Viksit Bharat by 2047 by measuring the quality in each and every field wherever they are doing their activities or doing their works.
पताका उत्तोलन परे समस्त डॉक्टर और सबु विभागर स्टाफ को समेत मेडिकल नर्सिंग एवं फार्मासी छात्र छात्री द्वारा मिलित भावरे जातीय संगीत गान करा जायथिला। हॉस्पिटल रो समस्त वरिष्ठ कर्मकर्ता स्वाधीनता संग्रामी को बलिदान को मने पकाइबा सह सुस्थ भारत गठन रे डाक्तरी वृत्तिर गुरुत्व संपर्क रे आलोकपात करथिले।
मु डॉक्टर अनुराधा पंडा अबे सम नर्सिंग कॉलेज 2 रे डीन अछि। सो first of all, happy Republic Day to everyone. This is 77th Republic Day. So we all are very enthusiastic to observe this day, as we know all the freedom fighters, everyone, how countlessly they have sacrificed their life, they dedicated for giving us freedom, and also to let our constitution to be enforced on this auspicious day. So being in the healthcare team, we know the doctors, the nurses, everyone are the backbone of the society in the healthcare system. So we must perform our duties with utmost integrity, with dedication and sincerity, which is very, very important. And as we know, the world is advancing very fast with regard to technology. So this technology and the clinical practice must go hand in hand. So to provide the best practice, best care to the patients. So what I must say that each patient we treat and each the medicine we dispense or the care we give to the patients in need is real service to the humanity, real service for shaping our society for a healthier nation and for a Viksit Bharat which everyone is dreamt of. So thank you and wish everyone once again a very happy Republic Day.
ଏହାପରେ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀମାନଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଦେଶାତ୍ମକ ବୋଧକ ସଙ୍ଗୀତ ଗାନ ସହ ନୃତ୍ୟ ପରିବେଷଣ କରାଯାଇଥିଲା।